Fernandez. Nandito na kaya si nanay at tatay. And a surprise birthday party to all of you. And we are so happy to celebrate the 80th birthday and 75th birthday. Malakas na malakas pa. Palakpakan naman po natin si Tatay Ezron and Nanay Loli. A happy birthday po. So dito po tayo sa unahan. Dito po sila po. I hope masaya po kayo ngayong araw nito because we're celebrating your birthday. At this age, malakas na malakas pa. Happy birthday po, palakpakan naman po natin again. Mr. Edward Fernandez and at Nanay Loli Fernandez. Yan, so dito po kayo nanay. Picture taking lang po. Happy birthday!
Una kayo. Okay, Dad.
Okay, let's have some picture taking together with the family of Fernandez. Tinatawagan ko po si Ma'am Maria Fernandez together with the family.